Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Analytics Vidhya competitions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Analytics Vidhya website by entering the URL in your browser. On the home page, look for the Competitions tab in the main menu. Hover over the Competitions tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Join a Competition from the drop-down options. You will be directed to the competitions page, showcasing various ongoing contests. Select the competition you are interested in by clicking on its title. Now, you will be taken to the competition details page. Review the competition overview, rules, and evaluation criteria thoroughly. Look for the Register button, typically located at the top right of the page. Click on the Register button to initiate the registration process. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to log into your Analytics Vidhya account. Enter your credentials and click on Login. Once logged in, you may need to agree to the competition's terms and conditions. Make sure to read and understand these terms before proceeding. After accepting the terms, your registration will be processed. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating successful registration. Now, navigate back to the competition page for any further instructions. It's recommended to familiarize yourself with the dataset available for the competition. Start preparing for the competition by downloading the dataset and any relevant documents. Join the competition forum for insights and discussions with other participants. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.